Hello guys, here's how you can add a half-side black effect in Photoshop. First of all, make a copy of your background image. Now, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the area where you want to apply the black effect. After that, go to the layer settings and choose hue saturation. Then, decrease the saturation to -100, it will set black and white display. Now go back to layer settings again and adjust the levels as per your need to darken that side even more. And that's it, your half-side black effect image is ready.